Hey learners, welcome back to our YouTube channel, the place where maths become easy, exciting and fun. If numbers scare you, don't worry. We are here to make your every concept clear step by step. So grab your notebook, let's get ready to learn and let's dive into today's topic. Our today question is question number 8 of worksheet 3, chapter 1 and our chapter name is square and square roots. So let's begin. Our question number 8 is find the value of under root 47,089 plus under root 24,336. In this question, we have to find out the square root of 47,089 and 24,336. So firstly, we calculate the square root of 47,089 and then we calculate the square root of 24,336. So let's begin with our first number 47. Here I write 47,089. This is the odd number 9. Here, this numeral is whole divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49, bigger than 47. 7 6 are 42 here. 7 sevens are 49. 7 2s are 14. 7 sevens are here 49. Again 7 9s are 63. 7 6s are 42. 7 1s are 7. 961 is only divided by prime number, that is 31. 31s are 961 and again 31 1s are 31. Here 1 is our remainder. Now I calculate here the square root of 47,089 is equal to under root 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 31 multiplied by 31. All digits are in pair. 7 multiplied by here 31 is equal to 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21. 217 is the square root of 47,089 and our next number is, now we calculate the prime factorization of, we do the prime factorization of this number and calculate the square root of this number. Now I write here our next number is 24,336. 6. Last one is the even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 2 8s are, yeah, this is 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 6 are 12. 1 is remainder here. 2 8s are 16. Our last one again even number, so again whole digit is divisible by 2. I write here 2 2 6 are 12. Yeah, 0. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Again divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again divisible by 2. 2 15s are 30. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. This is the odd number divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. 7 plus 5 12. Again divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. 3 9s are 27. 169 is only divisible by completely our prime number 13. 13 13s are 169 and again 13 1s are 13. Here again 1 is our remainder. Now we calculate the square root of this 24,336. So let's do. Here I write under root 24,336 is equal to under root 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 31 multiplied by 31. All numbers are in pair here. This one is in pair, this one is in pair, this one is in pair, this also is in pair. So I write here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 31 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 multiplied by 31 is equal to, sorry, in place of 31 we have 13 here. At the place of 31 we have 13 here. So I write here 13. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 multiplied by 13 is equal to 156. In this question we have to find out the square root of these two numbers. So the square root of 47,089 we calculate here 217 and the next is the 24,336. Next number, the square root of this one is 156. Now we can add the square root of your first term and the square root of second number. Then this is our answer. So I write here under root 47,089 plus under root 24,336. So now the square root of this number is 217. 217 I write here plus and here I write 156. Now add them. So 217 plus 156 is equal to 373 is our answer.